Hi guys, it's Mary. I finally got the last of my HSN Craft Day orders in, and then I also got a auto ship. So they're both diamond press. So the last of the orders was the diamond press stamp and die kit Sympathy, and there were just so many things about it that I liked. At first I wasn't going to get it, and then the more I looked at it, the more I just thought there were some elements that were just so cute that I had to go ahead and get it. Pardon the noise. These always stick. So, as I said, it's called Sympathy, but it's not really all about sympathy, and it's just some cute things. I fell in love with this, the arms. It was just too cute, and the band-aids that have different faces. It's got the flowers, it's got the heart band-aid. It says get well soon, it's got hearts, but it's sending you big hugs, hoping you feel better. The big hugs was just what sold me with this part. And this has better days ahead, sending a long distance hug. And that's what got me. And here's a little paper hug until I can see you again. I just thought that was just so cute and still so appropriate, because, you know, not everybody is going to be able to travel now that things are getting a little bit better. And I don't know how long things are going to get better when not everybody's on board with you know, the vaccine, and, you know, to each his own. Excuse me. Excuse me. But I send out a lot of cards, and I now belong to a group that sends cards to older people in nursing homes. So sending a long distance hug, I think is just perfect. And I love this little banner, thinking of you. So I couldn't resist. So these are the dies that it came with. Here's the banner and the big bandage, the heart, small bandage, the arms with the fingers, and all the flowers. And I did see a couple of people, when they were demoing it, had done like a sign language love with the fingers, and then someone had done the shaka with the fingers, and I just thought that was just so cute. So there's a sun, better days ahead, sending you, it's okay not to be okay. I thought that could fit a lot of different things too. Sending a healing hugs, that's a cute one. Those are the little faces. There's the heart, the bandage. Hug, sending a long distance, and then hug, get well soon, till I can see you again, thinking of you. Here's a little paper hug, hoping you, and then a heart. So, you know, Diamond Press never fails to come through. You know, their dies are just so cute, and so different, and they're not juvenile, but they're cute. So I really like them. So I can see I'm going to use this a lot. So that's the last of the ones that came. And like I said, it's called Sympathy, but I don't see anything sympathy about it, you know. People have surgery, people, you know, you can always use a hug. And that's a fact, especially nowadays. So, and then the auto ship that I got was part of their slimline shadow box, and this is the one that makes 3 little panels, and each auto ship has a different window. And I think this was the first auto ship from this set. And it's got, it's tropical, and I love me some tropical, so how could I possibly resist? Boy, it wants to stick. Okay, there we go. This one's called Sunshiny Day. And of course, they always have great instructions to explain how to put everything together. Look at Hello Friend and the little flamingos. Look at how cute that is. You know, I just, like I said, love tropical. So it's got palm tree, got 2 different kinds of flamingos, got some flowers, some tropical flowers. There's a hibiscus, some balloons, got a little parrot, leaves. Then this is saying that the original kit, a little birdie, has this die. And then it says, what makes you different makes you beautiful. Have a sunshiny day. Hoping your day is as amazing as you are. May all your tomorrows be as happy as today. Hey, pretty lady. And those are the sayings. And okay. I wanted to make sure I had it in the right direction. Hello, friend. There's the flamingos, the leaves, the palm tree. Have a fabulous birthday. Those are the sayings that I read. Here's other sayings, just a little note. Just be you. Hey, pretty lady. You still got it. There's the parrot. Little tiny flamingos. So, like I said, they never fail to come through. I just love their stuff. So, and they always come with a folder, which is nice, especially the slimline ones. So that's that one. So that's it for Diamond Press. And the last of Craft Day. There wasn't a whole lot of stuff. Of course, it wasn't a full craft day, but there wasn't a whole lot of items. Crafter's Companion, I got a couple of things, but a lot of the things are just kind of reworks of older items that I had, and so I'm trying to be very good about if I have something similar, I don't need something, you know, I don't need to spend more money just because it's new and maybe improved a little bit. All right, so that's it for this one. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Let me know if you got any of the Diamond Press items from HSN Craft Day. If you are a fan of Diamond Press, I saw an email just came through that Tuesday is Tuesday Teal Day, and they're going to have a sale and free shipping over if you spend more than $50, I think. but it doesn't, I can't tell whether they're going to have new items like they did a few months ago, where they had things, brand new items that had never been on HSN, or if this is just going to be things that they're, bringing back that are in stock again now. I know they had mentioned something about the cactus dyes were coming back, which I passed when it was on HSN, and I regretted it, but by then it was too late. So if that comes up, I'm going to try to get that one this time, because it was cute. So, and I regret not getting it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you like the video, please hit the like button. It makes YouTube happy, and me too. Stay safe, stay well. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.